Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. You really know how to pick solar panels. There is a wide array of choices on the market, from brands to specifications, and it seems like every panel looks the same. But the truth is, picking solar panels is far more complicated than you might think. In order to really understand a high-quality solar panel in the end how to select today, we went into the production plant together, witnessed the testing process of each panel to know the real standard. First, the manufacturing process and material selection are very critical. High-quality solar panels use high-purity monocrystalline or polycrystalline silicon, which directly affects the conversion efficiency of the panels. Automated production lines in the factory ensure that each panel is error-free in terms of size, structure, and connections. It is difficult to judge good or bad just by the appearance, but in the factory, we can detect the purity of the material and the precision of each component through professional equipment. Light intensity is one of the key aspects of testing the performance of solar panels. In factory tests, each panel is put through simulated sunlight tests of different intensities to ensure that it can generate power stably under both low and high light. The focus of the test is to see if the power output of the panels is up to standard, especially in low light conditions where quality panels can still provide stable power output. Solar panels need to be exposed to the outdoors for long periods of time, so durability testing is essential. Quality solar panels are not only able to withstand wind and rain, but also maintain a stable output under extreme conditions. So the most important thing in picking a really high-quality solar panel, besides brand reputation, is to pay attention to its conversion efficiency, durability test results, and whether it has passed the stringent performance tests. Bifacial solar panels like ours have a maximum output of 700 W. Read their technical parameters and choose the model that meets your electricity needs. Don't make your decision based on price alone. Efficient and durable panels can save you more money. Finally, when choosing solar panels, besides focusing on the technical parameters, you should also consider the after-sales service and warranty policy. Now you know how to pick the real quality solar panels. Remember, scientific selection can make your investment more secure. With this factory tour, we hope to help those of you who are considering buying solar panels. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more relevant content. See you next time.